You've answered the call of the skies, and now you need solutions for when you land on the ground. The Jupiter Bike can really take the hassle out of arranging land transportation when you arrive at your new destination. Here's 5 reasons why an aircraft owner needs to own a Jupiter Bike. Reason number 1. They are small and compact. Unlike other folding bikes on the market with bulky wheels and messy wires, the Jupiter Bike folds down to about the size of a pizza box, making it very easy to be stored away in even the most compact storage areas. Reason number 2. They are lightweight. Weighing only 25 pounds, the Jupiter Bike doesn't put a burden on your cargo weight limit like other bikes do. Depending on the plane you're using, you may even be able to fit a bike for each passenger.
2 bikes will fit in there, still be within the weight limit.
Reason number 3. Get up to 10 miles on a full charge. Taking 2 hours or less to fully charge, the Jupiter Bike can not only get you from those distant hangars to the clubhouse, but they can get you to whatever your local destination is and back again as well. Reason number 4. Reach speeds up to 15 miles an hour. Whether it's the beach, the park, a museum, or your favorite restaurant, the Jupiter Bike can handle inclines up to 15 degrees and can get you where you're going fast. Reason number 5. Smart design. We know maintaining an airplane can be quite the task, so you'll be pleased with the low maintenance design that you get straight out of the box. There's no assembly required, as the quality 240 watt rechargeable lithium-ion battery is built right into the front wheel. And the ultra-quiet brushless hub motor is built right into the back wheel. The Jupiter Bike has solid rubber tires that never go flat, making this bike very easy to maintain. And to top it all off, the bike is even equipped with Bluetooth technology, so you can monitor your bike's performance right from your phone. Thanks so much for watching.